Hello everyone. Today we will learn two options which are standard in every MS Word version but very useful when you are doing any documentation work. First option is QuickPart, or you can say auto text, which is useful for making one standard template or automatic text when you want to print. In that case you can use this part. And second option what we will cover today is mail merge. Mail merge is nothing but sending same mail or letter to multiple people at a time. Both things can be combined and you can create one document and send it to multiple people. This is possible by using mail merge wizard. So let's get started. First we will see that how to create auto text. For auto text I have one sample letter which you can say a pro forma letter, which is common for every company. I want to add this in auto text so that next time when I want to print this letter, no need to again type everything. I have to just go to auto text and use this option. See, you can see save selection to QuickPart gallery option is there. If I will click on this particular letter will ask me for common name, or you can say a shortcut name which I can save as my QuickPart name. I can say letter 1 or I can say only LE. Why I am removing 1? Because if numbers are not allowed, then again we will get error in this. So let's try with only text first. LE. This letter is related with what? So we can give subject or we can give content wise one keyword, that this is for what? This is subject is sole agency. So I can give description agency. This is not required, means if you don't want you can ignore this. Now when I will click on OK, you cannot see anything on screen, but what Word is doing in the backend for you is there is one LE short button. Now this will help me in what sense or how I can use this. If I will go on new and if I will type LE and if I will press F3 from keyboard, you can see easily my letter is ready for me. So with one click you can take a pro forma or a letter which is standard for your company. This is called auto text. This is very useful for day-to-day work. When you want to send multiple letters with multiple formats and pro forma, you can set them in auto text. Now let's go to mail merge. In mailing tab, click on start mail merge. You can create multiple letters, email, envelopes, label and directories. We will use wizard to understand step by step. First step, now total 6 steps are there. First step is what type of document are you working on? He is asking me one question which will understand that I am creating letter or email message, envelope or label. So I want to create letter. So this is by default selection. So I will go on next. Now how do you want to set up your letter? Use the current document, start a template. I already have current document in which letter is included. So I will click on next. Select recipient. Now if I have any database or if I have any list of addresses of senders, then I can select this. If I have Outlook contacts, I can select Outlook. But if I don't have anything, I have to click on type new list. Now click on create. Now these field list headings or column headings will show you or guide you that what you are supposed to write in this particular column. Say for example, when you say title, title include Mr., Mrs., Doctor, Junior, Senior, this type of short form. Then you have to write first name, then surname, then company name, and after that they have multiple fields, but I don't want to use other fields. Then in that case what we can do is we can customize this column. We have so many fields, but from which I don't want to use all fields. So what I can do is I can remove these unwanted fields, or I can just keep my data only in required field. So I have one data. Now I want to add one more data. Click on new. Now I want to remove this Mr. with Mrs. So is it possible to edit? Yes, it is possible. Now I want to add one more name, but again if I want to go back, I can use Shift Tab, and for next field I have to use Tab key or mouse as per your choice. Then you can type the data, and once you type, you can save this data, and this will be standard address list. This is useful for companies to send AGM meeting letters, or sometimes many share related information you have to send to your shareholders. In that case, you can create this type of data which will include all shareholder data or shareholder addresses, and you can pick up this file anytime when you want. Now I have to save this file, otherwise MS Word will not allow me to check that every time if I'm using same file. I'm keeping this in document. Now these all are shareholders, so shareholders address or a share address, you can give any file name. I am giving share IDD. Click on save. Now my file is saved, and he's showing me that 2 addresses are selected. I can sort that data, I can filter them. If he find any duplicate, he will give us that guideline. Sometimes it may happen that same name and same addresses are available, but everything same is not possible. So that particular data, if you want to delete, you can select or search for the duplicates, and you can remove them. You can search for any particular person. Now this letter, if I don't want to send to all, I can just select a person to whom I want to send. This is my file name, that is called data source. This is last name and first name, last name, first name, title, company name. So if I will click on OK, this file will be saved. Now after 2, I want to add this field name. On top of this ribbon, you can see that mailing option is now showing me option, from which I have to click on insert merge field. First is title. I am using space bar in between of 2 field name, and last name. I am using enter now to go to next line. My company name, again space bar, and address line 1. That's it. Now if I will click on next, I can easily see that next step will help me to understand that if you have not already done, so write your letter now. Means mail merge is guiding me that if your file is blank, now add your letter content. If it is already done, he is providing me address block, greeting block. You all are aware about all this. Thanking you, yours truly, hello, good mornings are greeting block. Address block will give you address related formatted information. So if I don't want to add anything, I just have to click on next. Now you can see my first record is visible to you all. This is my title, this is my first name, and this is my last name. This is my company name, and this is my city name, that is my address line. If I want to add comma or something in between, I can do that. So editing is possible or modification is possible, but not in the data, for positioning and other thing. If you can see on the top, if I will click on next, same letter will be shown with 2 addresses. First is Sita and second is Ram. Okay, so this is possible. If you want to take print from this particular file only, it is possible that you can do that, but better always to finish the steps and then create new file which will have 2 pages with 2 addresses but same letter. So I will click on next to complete the merge. He will ask me about the step that what next you are supposed to do. Either you can take hard copy called print, or you can use soft file, that is edit letter, in which again option is either I can merge all, or I can give specific current record number to last record number, or any specific range. Now if I will click on OK, now you can see my file is not saved right now. It is by a name document 1. If I will click on OK, he will create one more file with the name letter 1, and as I told you, there are 2 addresses available in the file, so he will create 2 pages in the same file. So it is very easy and it is very quick work to use mail merge. So in this way, what we learned today is how to use auto text, and that auto text was available in insert menu, quick part option, and second, mail merge option. So try to practice, try to do this at your home and comment me if you have any query. Thank you. Did you find this video helpful? Then like and share this video and subscribe our channel. Thank you.